a lot of stress in people's lives. We see a lot of patients with jaw problems, migraine headache problems, stress-related soreness of the neck and shoulder area often. That all translate to having a lot of effect on the teeth, wearing of the teeth, and problems for the teeth. There are several modalities of treatment for that. Many cases will do different appliances to help you clench and grind your teeth to soften the blow to your teeth while you're sleeping. Sometimes it translates to snoring, and we do have appliances. In milder cases of snoring, they can even possibly replace your CPAP machines, and it is much more comfortable to wear, and many people have chosen that appliance and very happy with it.